This mask just keeps going in my eyes. I think my face is small or the mask is too large. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a fun day. Actually, I'm doing it in two parts because I am finally getting out of my house after almost 125 days, which nearly sums up around 35% of the total year that I have. Right now, I'm going with my roommate to the car rental place to rent the car. This is gonna be fun because though it's 135 days, but it kind of feels like forever right now. Like, to be fair, I have been outside the house like twice or thrice when I was going to the bank or maybe going to the Indian grocery store. But apart from that, we order groceries from Walmart online and they deliver it to our door. So we've not really gotten out of the house for just the luxury purpose of going around. So we're renting a car for this weekend. Right now it's 2 p.m. and that's the time we're supposed to pick up our car. We've booked a cab, but the cabs are not here yet. I just woke up, half an hour back. I don't usually wake up this late, but yesterday I was editing my previous vlog until 7 a.m. and I went to sleep around that time. So I woke up late. So we are here to rent the car. There was a customer before us, so they're helping him, and then it's gonna be our turn. So we're going to Wendy's to grab burgers. We first thought we'll eat Indian food when we rent the car in the weekend, but we had biryani I think like 2 or 3 days back and not craving Indian food right now. So we're going to Wendy's. Yes.
Thank you. You too.
And it's raining very heavily right now. So we thought that we'd go out everywhere that we wanted to. We'll drive around. It's gonna be sunny and we'll enjoy the summer. But the nature had a very different plan for us. And right now we're still gonna eat. We are back at home. We got food from Wendy's. And we're gonna eat. But I don't know what we're gonna do about this weather right now. So we just went to Walmart and got back, and our plans have been ruined for today. It's raining, and initially it was raining very heavily, but now it's fine, but it's still raining, which means we cannot really go to any state parks or anywhere else and just sit down there, because obviously everything's all wet and not so good to be around. But we were then planning we could go and visit a friend who lives like around 2 hours from our city, but she did not pick up the call. So now we don't know what to do. We went to Walmart to pick up a few things, but now we will probably go to one of the spots that we decided we'll go, and we might not be able to get out of our car, but we can still go there because it's gonna be a drive for about 2 hours.
Maybe 45 minutes.
Oh, it's gonna be a drive for 45 minutes, but to and fro would be almost 2 hours, so we can still go on a drive and then get back home. The reason for today's sudden trip around Rochester was nearly planned after my last vlog. So as I mentioned in my last vlog that my OPT has begun, and I feel very stressed about it, but that day was still fine. I mean, I think I was vlogging, that's why I didn't really feel it, or it didn't really hit me. But the immediate next day I almost had a breakdown and I started crying. Don't laugh about it. But then my roommate, he said that it's okay, everybody's going through the same thing. Another issue that you're feeling this right now is because we're in this house for over 4 months now and we've not really gotten out. And
I really needed to get out though.
Yes, so did I. And we really needed this break, and it's safe to get out in New York State, and especially Rochester now. We're in phase 3, so we decided to finally rent a car. And
You're not wearing a seatbelt?
I forgot to wear my seatbelt. It's been that long since I've sat in car last time, okay? Yeah.
Just half and half and a pack of sugar.
And a pack of sugar, ketchup.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That'll be it. That's it.
7:45.
Okay, thank you.
So I ordered iced matcha latte, and this has always happened to me at Starbucks. I've never got it right once whenever I've made an order for that drink. Sometimes मेरे साथ ही होता है ऐसा. But I was anyways confused if I want to get iced coffee or iced matcha latte. That's why I said it's okay, don't return it. I'll drink this. Maybe think the universe has made the decision for me. So
The universe is making a lot of decisions.
पता है मेरे को खुद ड्राइव करके इतना टाइम हो गया, मुझे इतनी डर लग रहा था ये कार अंदर आ रहा है. It's
एक
been
second
so
के लिए बोल
long. It's been so long. मुझे तुझसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया. You still had a car, obviously last semester. तो तू तो ड्राइव कर ही रहा था. But मुझे personally, I think मैं last summer की हूँ. और उसके बाद जब हम न्यूयॉर्क से वापस आ रहे थे तो थोड़ा बहुत जो मैंने चलाया था, जो barely कुछ भी था compared to the distance you covered. But
आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ा ट्रांजिशन होता है जब तो इंडिया में राइट हैंड साइड ड्राइव लाइक राइट हैंड ड्राइव चलाता है गाड़ी और यहाँ पे आके लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव चलाता है और रोड के साइड उल्टे हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
फॉर लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव कार टू ड्राइव इट ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द रोड इट फील्स नॉर्मल, बट व्हेन यू मेक अ स्विच फ्रॉम राइट हैंड ड्राइव टू लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव I think both signal तक confusing होता है. After first signal you are comfortable.
I mean you're very experienced in driving compared to what I am. मैंने इंडिया में I think hardly एक बार गाड़ी चलाया. Like I've learned how to drive US आके, so मेरे लिए इतना confidence नहीं है driving में.
I think it's okay. If you know how to drive, even after you sit behind the steering wheel after 10 years, you will still drive. बस सीख लिया तो सीख लिया, जिंदगी भर नहीं बोलेगी बैठेगी गाड़ी में खुद ही एक्सेलरेटर और गियर चेंज होगा.
It's like swimming.
एक्सेप्ट दैट मेरे को स्विमिंग आता नहीं है.
See मुझे ड्राइविंग आता है. तेरे स्विमिंग से ज़्यादा मुझे ड्राइविंग आता है.
यू रिमेम्बर वो स्विमिंग पूल में गया था मैं, नहीं जाएगा मिडवे डूब रहा था.
So I'll tell you what happened. Last year, like we went to RIT pool. And
no. Last January, I took a swimming class.
Yeah.
And I felt like I know swimming now after the end of the class. Which
you should if you're taking a class, but you miss so many classes.
But I felt that I know swimming. And after 3 months when I went back in the pool, I felt like this is the lap that I used to do during my swimming classes, so I can do it again. And halfway I was drowning.
I remember he was like, we went to the pool and he's like, मैं तुझे ना एक lap करके दिखाता हूँ, because it had been a while since I did proper swimming, so I was like, I'm just a little scared because the water is very deep. Like it starts from 6 feet and goes up till 12 feet. So obviously I don't want to directly just go in, you know. I know you cannot forget how to swim, but practice नहीं था काफी time से. So, and this person is all confident ना कि अरे I've taken a class here, I'll first show you so you'll feel safe and then you can do. He started swimming not even 1/4 way and he forgot how to swim. God. then he
कुछ भी हाथ पैर करके मैं बाहर निकला और उसके बाद मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस जो गया है स्विमिंग करने का.
उसके बाद he's never went swimming again. But वो मुझे बताने जा रहा था कि see I'll show you कुछ नहीं होता है, and then मेरा like I didn't even try it only.
A for a confidence, A for an effort, D for an implementation,
and F for attending the class. Okay, so the friend that we were trying to reach to in the afternoon, we were finally able to contact her, and so there's now a change in plan. It stopped raining, but it's getting dark, so we were visiting the Seneca State Park, but right now it's pointless if we visit now or later at night, so we might visit that spot when we're going back home from her place.